the channel. And if you are new here, I am Sasha. I'm a mother of 2. I do home decor videos, lifestyle advice videos, whether that's talking about dating or sex or anything about beauty and as in skin routine, makeup, hair, all of the above. Before we get started and I show you my closet, please do not judge me. My closet has not been like this for very long. I had a C-section, so I was dealing with recovering, and then I have my newborn along with my toddler, and it just grew out of hand and I just cannot deal with it anymore. So I wanted to take you guys on this journey as well and show you guys how you can organize your small closet on a budget. So let's see the closet. I told you guys not to judge, but this is the closet. So it is a walk-in closet. Of course, half of it is my boyfriend's, which we're not even gonna look on that side. As far as I'm concerned, this side of the closet does not exist in my head because it is just as scary as this side. So, but this is the closet. I have 5 shelves right here, which I plan to do shoes on the very bottom. My jeans, my skirts, my leggings, my folded button-up shirts, my folded shirts that I don't really wear but I still want to keep, my dresses on the very top. You see, clothes are literally exploding from my closet, and just anything that I want to keep folded like that. On this side, I like to hang all of my tops because for me, it's easier to pick what I want to wear if I'm just sliding through like a clothes rack versus digging through a drawer and not really finding the type of shirt that I want to wear. So all my shirts are going to be hung right here, and all of these are like my jackets and my robes. I live in a place where it's either extremely hot or extremely cold. So I have thick jackets, I have blazers, I have cardigans. So all of that type of jacket wear, sweater wear is on top, along with some robes that I have. This side I have 3 shelves, which on the very top I have my hats. In the middle one I have beanies, and on the last one I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. I have this random purse that's attached to a bra just hanging here, and to be honest, I don't even wear purses. I'm not a purse person. I have one little mini backpack that I wear every day, and to me it's more convenient, so I don't even know why that's there. 4 drawers. So in these drawers I have like random fuzzy socks. I pretty much have a whole bunch of thigh highs because I do photo shoots on the side, and a lot of the photo shoots I kind of do are lingerie. So I have like all my thigh highs in here. In here I have lots and lots of bras that I don't wear on the daily. I have all my corsets. I know you can. All my corsets on the last 2 drawers. So like I have a whole bunch of corsets that I read that you have to store flat, which is why they're in the 2 bottom drawers. And on the very bottom niche hole, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. We're just gonna figure it out as we go. But I got this bag from thredup. And what you do is you throw your gently used clothes in the bag, you send it back to thredup. They look at what they can sell and they pay you for it. So to me, I thought that was a good deal. And if you mark the option to recycle the rest of the clothes they can't use, that's also better for the environment. And I have a lot of clothes to get rid of, so whether they can use it or not, I'm just glad it's gonna be recycled in a manner which is obviously really good that I don't know what to do or how to do it. So what I'm gonna do is make 2 piles on my bed. I'm gonna make the keep pile and I'm gonna make the donate pile. And then I'm also gonna make a separate pile where I have to try on the clothes to make sure it fits, because I had a lot of these clothes pre-pregnancy and I I don't fit in them anymore. And then as of now, I gained a significant amount of weight than what I had before. So I know there's a lot of clothes now that I love that I now have to get rid of. But it's okay, we move on, that is life. So I have a lot to go through, and let's get started.
If you let me hear you say my name, my name. If you let me hear you, babe. 'Cause I wonder if you feel the same, same. Well, just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need to hesitate, oh babe. Now it's never too late. I think we're soulmates. Let's find a way to start again, oh yeah. 'Cause I wanna work things out, yeah.
So I just finished all of these shelves, and now when it comes to the clothes on my rack, I'm just gonna go through and take out the ones that I know I'm gonna donate, and obviously keep the ones that I'm gonna keep on the hanger, so I'm not doing twice the work for myself.
I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say.
When we moved into this house, the liner that was in here was really gross, and it was already ripping off, and it just looked really bad. So I got this wood looking roll from Ross, and it was only $4.99. I actually like the wood look because it matches the floors, and I just liked just a regular wood looking kind of closet, since this isn't going to be our permanent house and we do plan on moving. So I thought this would look nice in here and make everything look more unison and organized. So when you're done, you should have something like this, but obviously of the paper that you chose. I'm actually happy I got the wood one. I wasn't really a fan of it at first, but seeing it in here with just all the wood elements of this closet, I kind of dig it.
Even though it's dark some days, I know blue skies are coming our way. Yeah, yeah. Everything will be okay, 'cause no one else can make me feel this way. Yeah, I'm completely satisfied, right, as long as you're by my side. So if you let me hear you say my name, my name. If you let me hear you, babe.
guys, so this is the completed look. I got my dresses, my rompers on top. I got extra shirts and sweaters and my crop tops on this one. I got my overly sized like sweaters, regular over the hood hoodies that I wear like every day when it's winter. I have all my flannels. On the next shelf I have my shorts and my skirts. On the last shelf I have all my pants, all my leggings and my yoga pants. And then on the very bottom I have all of my shoes. And then over there, like you saw, I have my hats on the very top. I have all my beanies, my scarves, my gloves in the middle one. And then right here I decided just to put my everyday items. If you know me in person, I am living for thigh-high anything in the winter. I love my thigh highs, I love my thigh high boots, anything thigh high I am all about. So I've put my regular thigh high since winter, fall is finally coming. I have one of my everyday purses, and then I have my everyday scents, which is Marc Jacobs and 1,000 Wishes. And then I have my usual everyday chokers that I do like to wear on the side. And then I have my extra PJs, my bras, my corsets, everything that I have for my photo shoots, pretty much in the very bottom drawer. And then on the very bottom, I have all my thigh-high boots, which I own about 4 pairs of thigh-high boots. If you never had a pair of thigh-high boots, I suggest you go get yourself a pair because they will, one, they look flattering and they make your legs look longer. 2, they will just make you feel damn sexy in like an instant. So I just love my thigh-high boots. I'm so confident when I'm in my boots, and I get compliments from everyone, not just regular, not just, you know, guys bugging, but even like the girls. And to me, the girls' compliments mean way more than the guys. This is the completed look. I hope you liked it. I did it really easy on a budget. Like I said, the only thing that I spent money on was pretty much shelving paper, which like I said was from Ross. I'm thinking about getting divider clips on Amazon. I believe they were 20 bucks for a pair of 4 acrylic clip-ons, but for now this is good. Really, you don't need money to organize your closet. Just fold your shirts if you have shelves and make it the way you want it, and just pretty much get rid of the clutter. If you don't wear it, just get rid of it, because when you see your closet nice and organized, it makes you feel better, because for one, you can see all the clothes, you know you fit in all the clothes, you wear all the clothes, and just all the clutter being gone is just so more better. It's just better for you. I know I love this. I love the less clutter. I know that I'm going to wear everything in here. It's just better for me, and I love it. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor content, and of course fall is coming, so your girl's going to be doing some decorating on a budget. Very excited about those videos. And don't forget to follow my Instagram for daily content if you're into that. And I am working on a special project that I cannot wait for you guys to hear, and that should be out, I want to say, next week. So if you are interested in that, follow my Instagram as well. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and until next time.